everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a haul of sorts. So I bought a total of 10 t-shirts, tops from Shein, and all of them are under rupees 300. I actually saw Hailey doing a very similar video wherein she picked up a bunch of tops from Amazon, and anyways, I needed to buy some new tops for like an everyday basis. So I thought this would be a perfect opportunity to combine the two things, and I think I've gotten quite a few cute tops. So if you're interested, keep on watching. By the way, this video is not sponsored by Shein. I bought every single top with my own money, but I do have a code which you can use to get some percentage off. I'm not gonna make anything out of that code. I actually personally used my own code to get a little bit of a discount. So if you're interested, I'm gonna pop it up somewhere on the screen and also leave it in the description box below. But let's start with a bunch of graphic tees that I got. So I love wearing plain white, plain black tees, but I thought for a change, let's pick up some graphic tees. First one is this plain white tee, but of course it has like a graphic here at the center. I love the print, especially with like the girl and her bun and then the red pop. I think it looks really cool overall. I have no idea what it says at the bottom, but I got this in a medium and I like to tie kind of like a knot in the front. By tying the knot, it gives you like an illusion of like a smaller waist, but then it's baggy up here, so it looks really cool. I really like the silhouette that it creates. By the way, this top was for 190 rupees, which I think is a pretty good deal. It's not bad at all. The material is very soft, really good quality. I do enjoy this top. The second t-shirt that we have is again a white t-shirt, but it has like a pink and orange print all over it. It's very California and like beachy vibes. Love the colors on it. It was for 265 rupees, which is pretty good actually. Talking about the quality, it's pretty good. It's not as soft as the first top that I showed you, but I think it's manageable for 250 rupees. I think it's a pretty good top for like an everyday basis. But I did wear this kind of like in a dressy way, so I wore this with my jeans and then I popped on the yellow bag that I have, and it made like a very like fashionable outfit. Yeah, so you can dress it up or dress it down. We have another graphic tee, but this is a little bit like a cropped one, and it has that classic lips wala print on it. I got a size small for this one because since it was cropped, I wanted it to like fit me well. And also talking about the quality, it's pretty good, but not as soft as the first one. The first one is kind of like the benchmark. It's the softest out of the lot. Forgot to tell you the price. This was for 200 rupees. I think this is the last tee that I have. It's a plain white t-shirt and it also has a pocket right here, and it says happiness is all about sharing. I wish I got a small in this. I mean, this doesn't look bad either. I again tie a knot using it, but I wish I had a small. It would look more flattering on my body personally. And also the medium runs a little bit big. Like this is not a medium. This looks like a large to me. So keep that in mind. But again, the quality is very good. It's very stylish, great for an everyday basis. If you watched my last video, you know that one of my favorite clothing items from the last year was the Cami, the spaghetti tops, and I picked a bunch of them up from Shein. I'm actually wearing my favorite one. It's this grey camisole. I love how the neckline is like a square neckline and the straps aren't too thin, aren't too thick, like it's the perfect amount, and the quality is amazing. I actually picked up a few more colors in this exact top. I got like a white, a black. It still hasn't arrived yet, but I'm assuming the quality is going to be great because I really like this one specifically. The grey one that I'm wearing right now retails for 270 rupees, which is not too bad. I'm okay with paying 270 rupees because it gives me a really nice fit. I get a small when I buy these camis. Similarly, I picked up a white cami as well. This isn't a top. This is more like a crop top. I think I got a medium in this one. No, it's a small. So this also had an extra small. Thank God I didn't pick up the extra small because that would literally be like a bra. Since the small is also so tiny, but it's nice. I really like this one. This is polyester. So if you have a problem with polyester, don't buy this. Go for the this one that I'm wearing, the grey one. I also got a red for like a more like nighttime vibe. This is a very thin material. I think this will be transparent as well. So I will have to wear like a tube or something like that to make sure that my bra doesn't peek through. I got a small in this one as well. But like when I wear it, I think it looks really cute. So I don't mind it. Now this cami I picked up a while ago, but I thought I'll include it since it was under 300 rupees. But it's this really pretty neon pink camisole, and I think this I got in an extra small, yes. So the extra small fits me really well for this specific one. And this is the most expensive top out of everything that I'm going to show you. This retails for 300 rupees. So the last two tops that I have are more like dressy, aren't as casual as the ones that I showed you. So the first one is this white crisscross backless top. So if you watched my last video and everyone who was asking where my top is from, it's from Shein, and this was for 300 rupees again. So at the higher end of the budget, but the fabric is very, very nice. The straps are also of like the perfect thickness. Usually when they're like too thick, it looks weird, and if it's too thin, again, it looks weird. So it's like the perfect amount. I really like this top. And the back is like this backless strappy thing is supposed to tie it up. I think it looks really like cute and fun. And the last top that I have is this beautiful lacy top with knotted straps. So you're supposed to tie it up. I think this is so fun. This was for 295 rupees, which I think is a great deal considering how fancy this top looks. I got an extra small for this specific top, and it still is a little bit loose on me. So do consider that. Definitely this top runs a little bit bigger. So if you usually wear a medium, I would say buy a small. But for 295, 300 rupees, I think the quality is great. The colors are very vibrant. The style is really cool. So definitely a thumbs up. Everything that I bought for today's haul is a thumbs up from my side. I am so happy with everything that I picked up. I do see myself wearing all the tops that I showed you, all 10 of them. I have already placed an order for more, like 5-6 of them. If you want me to make kind of like a part 2 of this video, do let me know because I have bought it already and I don't mind sharing it with you guys if it's useful to you and if you enjoy it. I think that's basically about it. I'm gonna make sure to link all the products in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe, click on the little bell to get notified every single time I post a new video because I do intend to post regularly in 2020. Fingers crossed. Follow me on my Instagram, follow Simba Lifestyle, and I'll see you very, very soon in my next video. Bye.